All right, thanks for joining us on this summer-like Monday here in early June. Temperatures soaring to 90 degrees for the 12th day this year. An unbelievable stretch as we head into, well, the first week of summer, and already we have more than our average number of 90-degree days for the year. 75 right now, north-northeast winds on this quiet night, only at 3 miles per hour after showers and storms moved through the area, not dumping too much in the FM area, but we did have some pimples popping up here and there, dumping some very heavy rain thanks to the fact that they were slow movers. 71 Baudette and Bemidji. There's a cool pool moving back from the east, and we have 50s in Duluth, 60s in Brainerd, and not far from that in Bemidji this hour. Holding on the mid 70s up and down the Red River Valley, 74 in Grand Forks. Here's all that's left of our showers tonight, just east of you in Park Rapids and in and around Grand Forks up to Marshall County, and a few there in Nelson County pushing towards the eastern reaches of Devil's Lake. What you're looking at here is precipitation estimates by the Doppler radar, and you notice that there may not have been anything falling in the gauge around Fargo, but portions or little areas from these small thunderstorms in Cass County and Barnes County dumping significant rain where you see the yellows. Radar is estimating over 2 inches of rain in some spots out there. And in Jamestown, we saw that photo earlier of a good 4+ inches of rain in town, causing some localized high water in the roads. Also near Candu and Rock Lake up in Towner County, we have some of that. Showers diminish for the most part. Now, as we go through the overnight, patchy fog will be possible in our eastern counties. Temperatures 65 to 70 degrees. See this? That cool pool of air sliding back is going to cause a chance for a couple of morning showers in our easternmost counties. That won't last too long as we go through the day. Now, we've had that cool front back into the area from the east, kind of backwards, and it's stalled out here, and it's going to start coming back at us as what we call a warm front as we go through the day tomorrow. We will have noticeably cooler afternoon temperatures. I paused this at 5 in the afternoon. We're talking 70s and low 80s, but a good chance for those mid and upper 80s and maybe a 90-degree reading or two out to the west. Notice our showers and thunderstorms, and tomorrow will start west and move east. That's more typical for our weather patterns here in the northern plains as we cool off and see the shower chances diminish, much like we have the last several days in the late afternoon and evening. 68 in the morning, temperatures topping out in the 80s. We will kiss 90 degrees. Cannot rule out a thunder shower on the drive time home between about 3 and 7 o'clock at night here in the FM area. Those thunderstorms, wherever they form, could cool your temperatures briefly, but it will be a noticeably cooler day in all of our eastern counties east of the Red River. If you notice this, no, it's not snowing, Justin. That is those pesky old cottonwood trees letting loose of a few seeds. Patty sharing that view. Thanks so much. So we take a look at your pro-seed farming forecast. Speaking of seeds in the ground, the water, well, doing pretty good to help green things up around here. Hopefully your crops are in the ground and taking off. More summer-like weather, 85 to 90 degrees all the way through Thursday. Spotty thunder showers each and every day once again. Now, as we get into the weekend, this is where we'll have noticeable change in the Fargo area. After 88 on Friday, we're talking low 80s for Saturday, Sunday, and Monday with drier weather on a cooler trend, not a cold trend, still above average. And in fact, we warm right back up into the middle of the month with 85-degree weather returning here to the valley.
You mentioned earlier we've already had more 90+ degree days than we saw all of last year, and more than normal for a whole summer.
That's right. So if you feel like it's been warm, yep.
Thanks.